crazy, yo.
Alright, you good, bro? Alright, man, we back with another video, man. I got two things to show y'all, man. Same day, new video, but look at my boy new rap on his scat called the Two-Face. This joint crazy. Ooh, that motherfucker is hard. Ooh. What up, bro? Yo, that joint came out good, bro. That came out good, bro. Damn. Got the black side with the white side. Yo, did they only wrap this side? They only wrap just the half? Or did they wrap the white too? Oh, okay. Damn. That shit look fun. Yo, when you came around the corner, I'm like, yo, is it? I seen that side of it, but when you turn in, you see the other side. It look crazy, bro. It definitely look crazy. Yeah, bro, that joint came out good.
It's a little dirty on the inside. I gotta clean it up.
I like the little shifter though. Word? I got you, bro. This joint crazy, bro. You even got the Two-Face back here on the spoiler too. Yeah, this is crazy. They put the red inside too. Oh, that's nice as hell, bruh. With the honeycomb too?
I did this.
Oh.
It's a little, it's busted. I gotta take it out now.
That's crazy. Let me see that again. Oh yeah, that's hot. They gave you that, or you had that already? They just did it.
I had it 3D printed for you.
Oh, that's crazy, bro. This came out nice. I don't think I ever seen like a two-tone type like this. Yeah, this came out nice, bro. Got the wheels all cleaned up. I see the gloss on them. Full flat. That's the crew right there. Yeah, I like it, bro. It came out good. You know what you should do though? You ever thought about changing the grill to the newer style? You was planning on doing that already? I was gonna say that it'll look crazy with the front grill on it. Yeah, it came out good, bro. It took them what, a day? 2 days? That's crazy. It looked like it's regular paint, bro. Right. That's what I was saying too. Like look how all the corners just meet. It's just so seamless and smooth. That's crazy. SRT8 conversion on a V6, right? I told him he definitely got to do the hood, and he got to get a spoiler, bro, and it'll look crazy. It'll look good after that once he get that spoiler and the hood. And when he told me the lights and all of that stuff came with it, like the grill pieces, everything was all one piece. That's crazy. I didn't even know they sold it like that. Usually they just give you the front bumper clip, just this. Right. And then you got to put the grill, all the other stuff in. He said it all came like that. It didn't come painted. He had to get it painted, but still, that's not bad. That's crazy. It looked good too, and I was like, damn it, if I didn't know it was a V6, I would have thought it came like that. Shit. That's crazy. It looked good, man. I can't wait to see what he do with the hood, and he said he's gonna get a spoiler too. So, yeah, I think he should do white calipers on this. I think you should do the white calipers, bro. I think the white calipers will make this pop. And it started raining out of nowhere too. Yeah, I think you should do the white calipers. It'll definitely make it pop. Where'd you get these from? These little inserts?
Online.
Oh, okay. They kind of. I was about to say they kind of remind me of the little things for the Jeep. That's what they are. The same things. Oh, yeah. They look just like them. That's crazy. I didn't know they make them for the Challenger. How hard you think it'd be to convert this piece to the newer model? The grill, whole front bumper. Shit. That shouldn't be too bad though. It's just clips, right? Yeah, it look good, bro. I definitely like what that. I like the red stripe too. Was a great piece.
I was gonna do a high vis mix.
Oh, okay.
So I usually ride it without
Without them, yeah. Yeah, that red stripe was that was perfect. I don't know. Maybe you should do red calipers to match the stripe. Cause you got the yellow and red badge. Maybe red. Yeah, this is nice. Got the two-face. And you say you try it for the plate, right? Yeah, I just had to show y'all this, man. This new wrap. It's crazy. That red stripe definitely give it a crazy touch. I like that red stripe for sure. Thumbnail. You heard the muffler delete already?
Yeah, that shit start raining like that?
Yeah, it's cold too.
It's got a good muffler delete
And a resonator, yeah. I didn't hear it before he cut it off, so to me it sounded decent. It sounded good. Yeah. Yeah, he got a muffler delete. That's what I'm saying. Before he did it, I didn't hear it, so I didn't really hear it.
That's why you did it.
Cause of hear it, damn. Yeah, get some sexy footage of this thing over here, bro. Bro got the whole gimbal. His shit smooth. ROVA with the charger, man. Make sure y'all subscribe, man. If you live in Rochester and you actually want to know who did this, Z-Bar actually did this. I didn't even know they do raps. Yeah, I didn't even know they do raps, bro. And it came out clean, bro. Super clean. Look how clean this is. This is tough. ROVA getting the rolling shots. His video about to be tough. I already know his rolling shots be on point. So I'm gonna put that link in the description for y'all too.
Let me see the little piece in your car one time. I remember you showed me that shit on the vlog.
Oh, the little badge? Yeah, the badge tough. You know you official when you get a little badge too hanging off your mirror. That's tough. That's tough. I know you was missing your car though for 2 days. I
had to ask people to ride for work.
Yeah. Listen, it be days when I don't have my car I don't be in my car for a couple hours and I'll be missing it, bro.
That's a fact. I was tweaking in my
Swear to
car.
God.
It was going for 30 minutes.
I be wanting to be in my Hellcat all the time, bro. Other than the fact I gotta keep putting gas in it. Yeah, big appreciate that, bro. Woo, no, I need it. No, I need it. What you be using to do that? You just use a regular recording mode?
Nah, it got a slow motion mode on it.
Oh. See, I never tried to use a slow mode, but you move regularly though. Oh, that's tough. I bet. Say that, cause I be using mine differently. Get out the way and shit. He trying to get B-roll. See Jellycat looking good though.
Clean as
That's
a bitch.
crazy. Oh yeah, I gotta start using
That's
that.
why niggas right be looking like, what the fuck is this?
Yeah, cause bro, I'm telling you, when I edit my shit and I slow it down, it don't be that smooth,
Nah,
bro.
it's like a little jitter with it. Like it's a little.
Wow.
This one right here, that shit so smooth, bro.
That's crazy. Yeah, that shit is butter smooth though. I bet. I gotta start using that.
Music and shit like that. I'm about to stop all of that.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do a couple little good edits and all that.
Ooh, that shit sound good too. He got muffler delete too, right?
Yup, I think he got the whole shit. I think he's just straight piping and shit.
Yeah, that shit sound good. Yeah, appreciate y'all, bro, for coming out. That rap look good. It's just crazy how he bend the corner and that shit a different color.
Yo!
Yo, that shit is tough.
Ooh, that's why I had to come outside like that. Like, this nigga turned the corner black.
Yeah, that's tough.
You fuck around, do a crime, nigga, think he seen the black car.
Yeah, that rap came out good. That rap definitely came out good.
That's fire, bro.
And they did that. How long that took?
2 hours.
2 hours?
Paint, he did the paint the day before, but you know you gotta let it dry.
Right, you gotta let it dry and shit.
2
Yeah.
hours, bro, if that.
Damn.
So we come back, I'm like, you want me to call? He said, nah, just pull up. Oh, it was 2 hours, bro. Come on.
Damn, that's not bad.
Within 2 hours, man. He had my shit looking right back. So.
That's crazy. Who did it?
Sam. It's called Triple S in Henrietta.
Okay. Yeah, because I see you posted a picture at the other Sunday. Y'all always at that. That's your spot. That's your spot.
I'll pass this one
To go to that one. I ain't gonna hold you. That one is a little nicer because they got the indoor little joint you could go in now, right?
Fact, but they building all of them like that now.
Oh, that's right.
Now, I go straight there, bro. I ain't.
That's crazy. Yeah, I don't even go to this one no more either. That one be too packed. It's a fact. Damn, even the fogs look good. Them LEDs too.
And they brand new because I bought them for the last one, but I had a wiper problem, so I never ended up putting them in.
Damn, that shit came out good, bro. Yeah, that hood a must, bro. That shit gonna set it off. It's gonna set it off.
That's a fact. It's gonna give it a whole different element.
Word.
And that splitter too. I'm gonna put the splitter on there next.
Oh, in the front. See, I want one too, but the ones I seen, they stick out too far. I don't like how they stick out, man.
The little on the top,
I don't like those.
Like 220.
Yeah, I don't like those. I might skip out on the splitter unless I find one I really like.
I was looking at the one Sunshine got on her car though, and they only like 130 online, bro.
Oh, that's not bad.
They nice too.
I'm gonna have to see that one.
She had the other one, but hers don't got the pieces on there. But
see, I don't want the pieces though.
I wanted
you like the pieces?
I did, but
what they call the rods, right? The little
220, bro. Them two pieces not worth it.
Yeah, I don't think so.
A whole extra $100, bro, for sure. Like,
cause they got ones, right? They got ones that come, but they stick out like this far. Like I don't like that. I don't like the extra.
I don't want it too far, but I think it make the car look lower.
It do.
So I want that low look to my shit.
That's why I can't wait till next summer, bro. Next summer I'm gonna have this car drop next summer. I'm getting springs on it next summer, so it's gonna look way better lower, bro.
Hard though, bro. With that whole wide body shit on the side, that shit is totally different. Y'all cars stand out from everybody, bro.
Appreciate it, bro. Yeah, it's crazy because I really haven't seen no other Charger yet either.
Like this,
no other Charger wide body yet. I keep seeing Challengers all the time.
I don't never see the Charger.
No Charger.
No, matter of fact, do Perry got a wide body? I don't know. If you go look at probably like the first car meet we did. Perry,
Charger
he got
wide
a red
body?
one. Yeah, he got a red.
It might be a.
I'm gonna have to go look at the footage. I'm not sure.
Yeah, because I don't remember.
But he pulled up spinning in that bitch. You'll see it. Matter of fact, I did a burnout. It's a burnout video on there. It's a Hellcat burnout.
Okay.
Go look and tell me if that's a wide body.
I'm gonna look at it. Yeah. Because I haven't seen that one Charger.
It's that octane red though.
Oh, it might be. I don't know. I haven't seen. I really haven't seen one. I've seen an octane red Challenger.
Yeah,
but no Charger yet though.
It's a white body.
Yeah.
I seen it too.
I just seen a wide body Scat, blue one, right where I live at, pulling out down my street. Yo, this nigga crazy. You already know. And make sure y'all subscribe to ROVA, man. ROVA with the Charger. Don't forget it. All right, ROVA. I see you, bro.
Wake up in the morning and shit.
Got you, bro. All right, little mama. You always with your daughter, bro. Big respect, bro.
Appreciate it, man.
So I had to come check that joint out, man. See how it turned out, cause this one of them ROVA got one of them cars where it start out basic or whatever, right? But he got so much of a vision, bro. It's gonna come out so crazy. Look at bro getting the. Bro always on his game. Damn, you telling me you couldn't wait till I went? Look at this. Where's you going, bro? Fucking dummy, bro. But yeah, he one of them people where he don't care about having the hottest out right now, cause he take his and he put his own little vision on it. So I'm showing y'all now so y'all can see the step-by-step process he doing, cause he pretty much changing that whole car around. I finally made my mind up. I was trying to keep my car as stockish as possible. But I think it's time to hear some more of that Hemi V8, man. That noise. So, going to the shop tomorrow. Make sure y'all stay tuned for that. And make sure y'all subscribe to ROVA with the Charger channel, man. I'm going to see y'all tomorrow, man. We out, man. Peace.